Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing dynamic PowerPoint slide with flipping rectangles. So let's make this in just 3 minutes. First of all, clear up all of your contents of your slide. Next, you're gonna go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle. Put it into the middle and the center of the slide. Remove the outline, give it a fill of gray color, a lighter shade. Next, you're gonna insert one rectangle right here on top. A smaller one, remove its outline, give it a fill. So I'll just go to Morph color and give it a fill. Duplicate it and then place that one next to it and duplicate it again. Select the three of the shapes and then group them. Increase their size till they cover the rectangle. Now ungroup them. Next, what we're gonna do is select this middle rectangle, go to rotate option, click on flip horizontally. We're gonna go to Insert tab and go to Shape and insert a text box. In this text box, you're gonna insert your title of your slide. So let's just place it right here. Insert your content text. Then go to icons and the insert tab. From here, choose a specific icon that you like and insert it into your slide. Put it on top of your title after decreasing its size. In the middle on top, give it a fill of white color. Select this and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and put it into the middle of your slide after grouping it. Ungroup it. Select this icon. Go to change the icon and you have to customize your icon. Duplicate the same text and your icon. Select the icon and go to change icon. From icons and you're gonna customize your icon and change it into a different icon. Next, what we're gonna do is duplicate the slide, remove the first and the last of the rectangle, go to the first slide and duplicate it again and put it into the last slide, remove the first and second rectangle, go to first slide, remove the second and the third rectangle. Select both of your templates, all of your templates, go to Transition tab and click on Morph. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can download this free template from the link in the description below.